Even though we're still a good few months away from the big reveal of Samsung's next-gen flagship, the Galaxy S25 series, there's already a ton of buzz going around thanks to some juicy leaks. We've gotten a sneak peek at potential design changes and some exciting spec upgrades for all three models in the lineup. The leak game is strong, and one of the most reliable sources out there, Ice Universe, has shared some intriguing details recently. In a post on X, they dropped an image that shows off screen protectors for the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. This gives us a cool side-by-side look at the different display sizes, and it also highlights the sleek, rounded display design that we can expect on the top-tier Ultra variant. When you look at the size differences between the three models, they seem to stick pretty close to what we saw with the Galaxy S24 series. But here's the kicker. Earlier leaks have hinted that the Ultra model might actually have a smaller overall footprint compared to its predecessor. Samsung is likely going to pull this off by trimming down those bezels around the display, although that detail isn't super clear from the image we got. Now, the screen protector for the Galaxy S25 Ultra features those fresh rounded edges we've been hearing about, which could really enhance how it feels in the hand. On the flip side, the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus have noticeably wider corner radii, but they still sport those sleek, centered cutouts for a single front-facing camera. What's interesting is that it looks like the Galaxy S25 series will have slimmer bezels compared to the last generation, especially for the Ultra model. There are whispers going around that the Galaxy S25 devices will also be slimmer overall. Rumor has it that the standard model will come in at around 7.2 millimeters, while the Ultra will be around 8.2 millimeters thick. If these numbers hold true, it could mean the devices feel more compact in hand, even though they're rocking the same display sizes as their Galaxy S24 counterparts. Unfortunately, we haven't seen any other images that could give us a clearer look at the design of the phones, especially when it comes to the camera setup or the back of the devices. So, we're still left guessing a bit there. So, what do you think about these new leaks and images of the upcoming Galaxy S25 lineup? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment down below. And if you're looking for more updates on this or anything else, definitely check out our channel. I'll catch you all in the next one, and until then, take care.